Is rental cash damming as easy as it seems? Hello everyone, my name is Sylvia Ho and I'm a financial landlord consultant. I work with landlords to help them save money, reduce their taxes, and pay less interest to the banks. I wanted to share with you a story of a prospect that I was talking to this past week. And he was very interested in rental cash damming. He really wanted to start implementing it. He was going to retire within the next 10 years, but he was on a 30-year plan. He had a $700,000 mortgage and he had 2 rental properties. We put together a plan and we were able to get it very close to what he wanted to do and pay it off in 10 years. I think we got to like 10.83 years based on his numbers. But then he got cold feet. My friends, rental cash damming is not for the faint of heart. It involves a lot of tracking. It involves ensuring that you're doing everything properly, that you're transferring the bank accounts, money properly from one account to another. But more importantly, when it comes down to rental cash damming, I'm going to tell you right now, it's not if CRA will audit you, it's when CRA will audit you. And when they come and audit you, you better make sure that you're doing everything properly. So when I work with clients, I work very closely with their accountants. I work closely with accountants who are very familiar with rental cash damming. I ensure that all the rules are followed and everything is updated in regards to any updates to rental cash damming. There are constant updates. CRA constantly comes up with new rules and new regulations on how to do things. And working with myself as a financial landlord consultant, I'm here to set you up for success. So for those who are DIYs, that's okay. You can try to do it yourself. It's like building a deck. You can learn from the YouTube videos. You can follow the instructions. And you just pray that the deck won't fall when someone's standing on it or sitting on it, right? I'm not saying that it's not possible not to do it on your own. I'm just saying that make sure you understand by making the decision to do it on your own, that you understand the consequences of it. When CRA, not if CRA comes to audit you, but when CRA comes to audit you, you have to have very good tracking skills. You have to be super organized. You have to understand the process, and that's what I'm here to help my clients with every step of the way. The reason I work with my clients for a full 12-month period is because there's a lot to learn. It's a really steep learning curve. And by working together with someone like myself, it's like I'm like your personal trainer at Good Life, right? You want to build those abs or you want to build those arm muscles, you can go do it on your own, but will you continue to succeed throughout and build that new muscle, right? By having a personal trainer and meeting me on a regular basis, making sure that you do things properly, reviewing your bank statements. I'm here to take care of your rental cash damming needs. So that's it, my friends. Rental cash damming is not for the faint of heart. And if it was really that easy, everyone would be doing it, my friends. So if you have any questions about rental cash damming, or if you want to know if rental cash damming could work for you, what are the things that you need to know? You need to be a landlord. You need to have a mortgage on your own occupied home. You can't do it for short-term rentals. You can't do it for properties under corporations. There are certain things that you can use a line of credit to pay for. There are certain things that you cannot. So just be aware of all of those rules if you are a DIY person. Thanks so much for listening, everyone. My name is Sylvia, and I work with landlords to help them save money, reduce the taxes that they pay, and reduce the interest that they pay the banks so that they can have the life that they love and dream of and be mortgage-free and be debt-free on your own occupied home. All right, my friends, peace out. Bye.